Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and review into Hook's World. And today we got a nice watch face to check out by Viren. Viren gets down on some nice analog watch faces, and he did a really good job with this one. Now the name of it is called Vulcan Viren. It's a nice analog dressed down watch face, and yeah, it's very unique. I like the look. The design definitely stands out. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. But when the watch face is on, not a bad look. I like the design. I do like the layout. It definitely stands out for a casual wear. Now you're going to get a modern look more so than a traditional look, but that's still not bad. Up at the top, you're going to get your day of the week. You're going to get your month. You're going to get your seconds over here. This needle represents your battery info. You're going to get your date. You come down to the bottom, you will get your step info, and you'll get your calories burned as well. Now, it is not interactive, so you cannot go into your step info, your calendar, your battery info, or anything like that for the $1 that I paid for this watch face. But you can change the theme of the watch face with a single tap. I like the design. It's not a bad look for a casual wear. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.